It's so wet, but there is no bad weather in the nature. Greetings to you all, lovely people, especially you guys who views my videos. I love you so much and send you so much love. Keep spreading more love, more love. Our planet needs more love right now more than ever before. You guys keep sending love, keep spreading love, keep just spreading gratitude around. Yeah, it's so amazing. Planet Earth is healing when you spread love. Mother Nature is healing. It's so amazing. I love you so much. Blessings.